Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sniper Elite 4 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Sniper Elite 4 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then fill up your credentials of whichever payment method you have selected, and after you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location and complete the installation with just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Sniper Elite 4 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.